But what is good weather? What is bad weather? It's all in the eye of the beholder. For school kids yesterday, when schools were closed, welcome news for parents, I'm sure, a headache. And for those trying to travel across higher ground where we had roads closed, an absolute nightmare. We had a scenes of winter wonderland yesterday, and it means this morning, with clear skies, it is a bitterly cold start. The coldest night of the season so far, minus 12 degrees. The price we pay, though, is being greeted by beautiful autumn sunshine. The blue has been with us. This is our air mass. And the blue air mass moves away, and the mild moves in. And that heralds a big change this weekend. More on that in just a moment. But for today, it is cold with plenty of sunshine. The wind's lighter than the last few days. So first thing, we still have some showers around coastal areas. That is where we have warnings from the Met Office. So wet weather on cold surfaces means surfaces, but beautiful, sunny, cold conditions. It stays fine and dry all day long for England and Wales, albeit still chilly. Scotland and Northern Ireland turns cloudy, milder and wetter, and it's this cloudier, milder, wetter weather that moves into the weekend. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. We have just had the coldest night of the season so far, nearly minus 12 degrees. That is thanks to clear skies overnight. Yesterday, lots of snowfall. Beautiful sun, particularly where schools were closed, but bad news for other areas where we had road and rail areas cancelled with big delays. And there's still likely to be further delays, so check before you travel today with this bitterly cold, icy start. Cold has been the name of the game, but the cold blue is replaced by this milder yellow, moving in from the west, from the Atlantic, as we head into the weekend. So all change this weekend, more on that in a moment. But for today, crisp, cold, plenty of sunshine, a frosty start thanks to the clear skies overnight, greeting us with blue skies, showers around coastal areas, but beautiful autumn sunshine as well. So just those extra layers, wrap up and those sunglasses. But umbrellas at the ready for Scotland and Northern Ireland. All change here. Look at these temperatures, 8s and 9s, much, much milder. Elsewhere, still single digits. But again, when we add in the wind, albeit the wind's lighter than yesterday, it will still feel like freezing in the east. This evening and overnight tonight, that band of cloud moves in. So look, here's the cold in the south, the milder moving in. Different fortunes for digits for some. Cloudier, milder and wetter, the name of the game this weekend.